Hi everyone, today I'm going to show the demo about AWS transfer for SFTP. Before that, going for the demo, I'm going to explain little about SFTP. What do you mean by SFTP? SFTP is Secure File Transfer Protocol. In AWS, transfer for SFTP is fully managed of AWS service that enables you to transfer file over Secure File Transfer Protocol. And SFTP is also known as Secure Shell. That means SSH, File Transfer Protocol. SFTP is used in data exchange workflow across industries such as financial services, healthcare, advertising, and retail among the services. Now let's go for the demo how the SFTP works. Before that, you should log into the AWS console. After that, you should go for the services. In the services, you should choose the IAM. IAM, you should go for the in the dashboard, select roles. You should create the roles. In that, choose the services that you will use this role. I'm taking transfer and click next permissions. In that, go for next tags. This is all default, no need of adding any key. Here, create role, you should give the role name. I'm giving my name. Then create role. Here the role is got created. Now you should go for again roles and create one more. The role Kavya has been created. You should create one more role. So again go for the same procedure. Go for the transfer. Next permissions. In this, here you should attach the policies of before what you created. Now you can see. Sorry. That you should take the JSON. Review policy. Give the name. Then click to create policy. Here you should select the before what you created. It will be here. You can select that one. Here the summary of the what you created. The policy summary will be displayed here along with policy ARN description, permissions, everything. Once you created the policies, go to services. In that, select in the migration and transfer, select AWS transfer for SFTP. In the your here you want to create new server. In create server, endpoint configuration, it should be default public only. Then custom name also, custom host name should be none. Then in logging role, what you created while creating roles, you have given name as Kavya, role name. So it will be hacked as logging role. Then you can go for the create server. So successfully created the server. Now if you click for the server ID, it will show the server configuration, its status, everything. Now we are going for user configuration. In the username you can give any name. I'm giving as demo. Then access information. Choose a role. Role means before we created role. I'm taking as Kavya. Then policy will be none. And in this home directory it will already in the default because we are created home directory means nothing but S3 bucket. I'm already created S3 bucket as Kavya 22, so I'm taking that one as S3 bucket. We are making as home directory. Then for access public key, from the putty gen we are generating the key. For keep fingerprint we taken as public key. So I'm already taken the, we should give the public key. Then click add. Now we have successfully created a user as username as demo. So we successfully created demo. Then in the server configuration, now we created the server configuration is done. Once the server configuration done, we should go for, once we done, we should go for win SSCP. Why we are using Win SCP means there will be 4 options: transfer for SFTP user guide, that is using Open SSH and using Win SCP, using CyberDuck and using FileZilla. But now I am taking I am doing with Win SCP. So once we open this one, we should give the host name, where the host name is hostname is nothing but what we given here. Endpoint is taken as the hostname. We should copy this one and we should paste it in the hostname and the port name. And username is we have given as demo. So we have given demo here. And if we log in with this, once we given everything, we should go for advanced. In that you will take advanced. Here you have SSH. In there you can see authentication. If you click to authentication, there will be everything. You should give the private key. Browse the private key. We'll get the private key from the Puttigen. I'm already saved here as Spray. This is my private key. I'm given here. Then here you are browsed. I'm already said. If you give OK, it will show this one. After that you should save this one, and site name is already taken and the folder will be none. Here everything will be like, then click OK. you have taken this one, then everything is done, then login. Once you done everything, you can, if you want, you can edit it. Otherwise, you can save it. Click login. It will be hosting it. So once everything is done, I showed already that authenticating. So if you want to upload your file, you can drag your file here, and it will be migrated. So this is how SFTP works.